In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a windshield wiper cowl on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and locate our cowl, and on each corner the wiper blade arms. We're going to remove this rubber grommet using a pick. So under it and pry it up and set it aside. Remove this fastener using a 15mm socket. Locate the wiper arm joint, push down and up to work it free. Remove it and set it aside. Repeat this for the other side as well. We're going to move to the bottom portion of the cowl and locate our brake fluid reservoir and its two T25 screws holding it down. Remove these with a T25 bit. Lower the reservoir and set it aside. We're going to move on top of the cowl and locate our four T30 screws on each side, and we're going to remove these as well. Use your T30 bit. And set these aside. Now pull the cowl up and away from the vehicle. With the upper portion of the cowl removed, on the lower portion on each corner, we're going to locate another T30 screw. Remove this as well. And right across from it, under the wiper blade motor, we're going to locate a 10mm bolt. Remove this as well. Repeat these steps for the other side. Slide the lower portion of the cowl out and away from the vehicle. We're going to reinstall the lower portion of our cowl. Just slide it into place. And ensure it's flush. We're going to hand thread on our two lower cowl fasteners, starting with our T30 Torx screw on the corner. We're going to snug this down. We're going to move near the wiper motor and do the same for our 10mm bolt. Snug this down as well. Repeat this process for the other side. We're also going to reinstall our brake fluid reservoir to the cowl. We're going to snug down our two T20 screws. Line up the reservoir and hand thread them on. And snug these down. We're also going to reinstall our upper cowl, slide it into position under the windshield. Make sure both corners go in. Once it's in place, slide it under and push in. Pre-secure the tabs on each corner. and make sure it's secure. For the upper cowl, we are going to reinstall our 4 T30 screws. Snug these all down. We're going to go ahead and reinstall our wiper blade arm and wiper. The one on the passenger side goes up, so line it up and push down. Push in on the joint so it fully seats. And snug it down with your 15mm. Reinstall your rubber cap and repeat this for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.